Smell some. Oh, go. Cherry berry. Mixed berries. Oh. It's gonna brighten up your holidays, man. It's gonna get nasty. What's that smell? Oh, what's that? Oh, oh yeah, oh, I got two. No, stop!
These scented candles from True Living are sure to brighten up your holiday spirit. This one on the left is vanilla sugar and coconut vanilla. As if there's any difference between the two. Moving on to the next one. The one on the right is mixed berry and cherry berry. There is no difference between the two.